Think you need a ton of cash to start earning passive income? Think again. In today's video, I'll show you 5 simple ways to build passive income with absolutely no money to start. These strategies are beginner-friendly and perfect if you're looking to kickstart your financial freedom journey. Let's dive in. Welcome back to the channel, where we talk all about building wealth and creating financial independence. If you've been wanting to start passive income streams but thought you needed a big upfront investment, this video is for you. I'm sharing 5 proven methods that cost $0 to get started. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more money-making ideas. Let's jump in. 1. Affiliate marketing. First up is affiliate marketing, one of the easiest ways to earn passive income without spending a dime. Here's how it works. You promote products or services through affiliate links, and you earn a commission for every sale. Platforms like Amazon Associates or ShareASale are great places to start. You can share links through a blog, social media, or even YouTube videos. The key? Focus on products you genuinely love and match your audience's interests. 2. Print-on-demand design. Second on the list is print-on-demand. This is perfect if you're creative but don't have money to invest in inventory. Platforms like Printful and Teespring let you upload your designs, and they handle the printing and shipping. Use free tools like Canva to create designs, upload them, and start earning whenever someone buys your products. It's zero cost, zero hassle. 3. Start a YouTube channel. Yes, it's 100% free to start. You don't need fancy equipment, just your phone, some basic editing tools, and a niche you're passionate about. Once you grow to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize through ads. Add affiliate links or sponsorships, and you've got multiple streams of passive income flowing in. 4. Create and sell digital products. Digital products are another fantastic way to build passive income with no upfront costs. Think planners, templates, or ebooks. You can create these using free tools like Google Docs or Canva, then upload them to platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Once they're live, they can be sold infinitely without any extra work. 5. Monetize your skills with online courses. Finally, teach what you know by creating an online course. If you have skills in anything, like cooking, graphic design, or productivity hacks, you can package your knowledge into a course. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare let you upload courses for free and take care of selling them. With one course, you could earn passive income for years to come. Now that you know these 5 methods, here are a few tips to maximize your success. Keycap 1. Focus on one strategy at a time. Don't overwhelm yourself. Keycap 2. Use free tools like Canva, Google Docs, or even social media platforms to market your work. Keycap 3. Be consistent and patient. Passive income takes time to grow, but it's worth it. And there you have it, 5 ways to build passive income with no money to start. Which strategy are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, you don't need a big budget to start building wealth, just a little creativity and consistency. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.